Next, we'll accent our froggy face. See, now that the folds are made nice and firm, every time you open that card, the face will be there. You won't have to worry about popping it out again. Okay, now before we color on it, I am going to just secure the ends with a little bit of double stick tape. You can also use a dab of glue. I like the double stick tape because it doesn't wrinkle the paper. Put just a little bit on each corner. That gives your pop-up a little bit more stability. And we're going to use a marker here. And first I'm going to color in the eyes a little bit. Give that frog a little eyeball. So if you turn it like this, and you put your marker in and you're just going to color on the inside. Make a little bit of an eyeball there. And then turn it around and do the other eye. Make a little bit of an eyeball there. Now you have to be careful. Sometimes it might show through if your markers are very wet. It can come through, and if you're going to do a design on the front, you want to make sure that your marker is not bleeding through. Okay, there's your eyeballs. And I'm going to put some lips on this frog. So I'm going to flatten it out a little bit to be able to work with it. I'm going to put a little bit of lipstick on my frog here. Whoops. There you go. And I'm going to make this a frog prince or a princess. So I'm going to put a crown on my frog. Nice golden crown. And you can, I'm just drawing this very quickly. You can be a lot more detailed when you have the time to really play with it. And it's very cute, and we can write something cute like, how about a kiss? And there's our froggy card.